Hello, this is Kent from Easy Test Pool Supply, sitting with Pat on another episode of Swimming Pool Talk. Pat, what are we talking about today?
Brushes, Kent.
And so you brought a bunch of different kinds. What kind do you have there?
I have a brush for a gunite pool. It's got the metal bristles, and we use this a lot to what?
I mean, take care of algae issues. If you just had it refinished, you'd probably want to brush it daily to keep the finish good on it.
So primarily metal bristle,
gunite pool only.
We got it. What do we got there, Kent?
It's going to be your standard nylon brush. This is going to be great for liner pools and fiberglass pools. This one here is a smaller style one, so it's good for spot brushing and things like that.
And we also have it in a larger size, 18 in this style.
Of course.
As well.
Yep.
Kent, I know sometimes when we go to jobs and we look at pools, we'll see the bristles that are worn, and we'll see customers using brushes, and you try to explain to them that this is probably not a good idea because they're worn. And what can happen? Like, it's particularly a vinyl liner pool.
That's right. Yeah, I mean, so keeping your tools in good condition is very important. Bristles tend to fall out over time. Plastic gets worn. You want to make sure that the brush you have has good bristles on it and that it's not going to crack on while you're doing it. The worst thing we see is when people use an older brush and they put grooves in the liner, and even worse, they end up trying to pole vault it, and when it breaks and they push the pole into it.
Yeah, I've seen the handle snap.
Oh yeah.
The pole goes right into the pool.
Yep.
Last one, Kent, is a 360 brush. What are your thoughts?
It's a huge seller for us now. This one's kind of an all-in-one brush. You have a nice big size on it. It's rounded, so you get behind ladders, in the corners, stuff like that. It's a really good quality brush.
So these two brushes both are nylon or bristled brushes, right?
Yep. Those are great for your fiberglass and for your vinyl liner pools.
And lastly?
Metal brushes for gunite only.
Excellent. Ken, I notice you have a really good saying when it comes to brushing. Would you mind sharing that with us?
Yeah, brush, don't shovel.
I think that's good advice. Why do you say that? Is because of the damage you've seen brushing cause vinyl liners particularly?
Oh yeah, over brushing, too hard brushing, brushing with a worn brush can all cause damage to a liner.
And what are your thoughts, as particularly in the industry, there's a lot of talk about brush. Should brushing be something that's proactive or reactive?
Brushing should be reactive. Only brush when you have staining or you have an algae issue or something like that.
Excellent. Thank you, Ken.
You're welcome, Pat.